Welcome to my show. So, I love cooking, so I decided, why not teach you just how fun it is? Hello everyone, today we're going to be making homemade banana bread from Raddish, a household favorite of mine. But before we do so, I'm going to talk to you about the National Geographic Society. The National Geographic Society has thousands of explorers working hard and doing things from educating illegal poachers in Asia to rescuing baby sea turtles in Central America. Also, I really recommend their podcast called Overheard at National Geographic. Me, my mom, my dad, and my dog really enjoy it on the rides to our cottage. That's called the banana bread dance. Now, let's make some banana bread! Remember in my last video, I taught you guys about mason plots? Well, I did this for this video too, see? I even lightly greased or heavily greased, let's be real here, my baking sheet. And I'm quickly gonna run you guys through what you're gonna need. You're gonna need 4 very ripe or like really soft bananas. You're gonna need salt. You're gonna need flour. You're gonna need baking soda and baking powder. Got some bicarbonate soda down your sleeve. And then you're gonna need some sugar, vanilla. This was really hard to open. And half a cup of butter or 1 stick. Preheating the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. First, we need to stir our flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon in a medium bowl. One good tip is to use a butter knife to level your measuring cup. And it's actually very good if there's an uneven surface. Works very well too. So plop, thump. Okay, so I've just put 2 cups of flour in there. And just shake it all out. 1 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon. Blow your socks clean off. 1 teaspoon of both baking powder and baking soda. I heard that there's this chemical reaction that goes on when you use baking soda and baking powder with the same measuring spoon or measuring cup. I've done it 100 times. Nothing ever happened. It's not true, guys. So just don't be superstitious. It's okay. The recipe calls for a little bit less cinnamon than we want. I want 1 teaspoon. They call for 3/4 of a teaspoon. I mean, I like my banana bread nice and cinnamony, and so does the cameraman here. So we're putting a little bit more cinnamon. What's the matter with that? And so you want to whisk that all together, like I'm doing, until all you can see is it looks like real vanilla bean ice cream. If you've ever seen it, it's got like little dots in it. It looks like homemade red spelt flour. And whoa, the masher almost went overboard. Utensil overboard. Now time to peel our bananas. Next, crack the eggs into a large bowl. As I said in my welcome to my channel memo, I started out cooking scrambled eggs, so I'm pretty good at getting a clean cut in there. Speaking of clean cuts, okay, so here are nice eggs. Look like little eyes. My eggs are staring at me. Now, getting the bananas. Truckload of them. I need our GMC Canyon to get all these bananas in here. And now get the dust buster out. Don't forget, you have to whistle a tune while you're mashing bananas. Nothing better than mashing bananas in the morning. Fun. I and the people in my household like banana bread chunky, nice little pieces of banana in there. If you like your banana bread smooth, like it's made in a factory and not homemade, that's fine too. But I like my dishes to have a rustic tint to them, if you know what I mean. The thing I like to use with clean and cut eggshells is you can fill them up with water. Cheers! I'm adding 1 cup of sugar. Now we're putting in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. That's nice. I always like vanilla. I always will, I think. I'm melting our 1/2 cup of butter, or 1 stick. I break it in 2, so it's gonna kind of do this. See, because it's a little bit easier to mash then. And then, into the microwave for 35 seconds. Ugh, guess who's gonna be Butterfingers. Now, add in the butter and mix it around with a rubber spatula, and you can just pretend you're painting. You can paint like this. And now, guys, we're putting in the dry ingredients. Remember our vanilla bean looking dry ingredients from earlier. I'm mixing together the dry and wet ingredients, just like so. And this is your actual bread batter. Once it looks kind of like this, and there's no flour inside. See, there's still some flour in there. You want there to be absolutely no flour inside. Then you move on to the next step. I pour our batter into the loaf pan. Oh, there's still some flour in there, see? Now I have to stir this all up again, see? Now I'm pouring it in. What I like to do is gently smoothen it out at the top so that the top is a little bit ledged. It's a little bit up, levitating from the rest of the bread, and then you just give it a nice little boop up there, and it makes it look very, very rustic, very, very bready. Here comes the real deal. We're putting the bread into the oven. Lower rack. And here we are. I'm using oven mitts as I was in my Arepas video. And now we put this in for 55 minutes. So now we wait. I'll show you guys how to really check if it's ready. First of all, take the bread out of the oven. Wow. Will you look at that, guys? That is an amazing banana bread. Now, the best way to check is to put a toothpick right in the middle. Like so. I put it all the way down there. Look, it looks like a little thing you find on the top of an olive. And now see, it's clean. And now, what you do when it's clean is you flip it out of our... Yeah, I wouldn't dare flip it with my hands. And wow! Guys, I've almost never made a more good or perfect banana bread. Let the banana bread cool for 5 minutes and then let's eat. Now, to eat, as you've seen, I've already taken a few bites. Before I do eat, I'd like to tell you guys something. I'm egging towards 40 subscribers. So guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for liking my videos. If you haven't done so already, please like my videos. And please, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. Now, you actually man, that is real loaf perfection. Not just in color, not just in texture, but in taste. That is scrumptious banana bread, everyone. This is Chef Daniel, signing off. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it.